How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be doing some whistling practice. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel. If you guys haven't already, I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So the exercise that we're gonna do today, or the technique, the whistling technique, is gonna be using two hands. So this is a great way to whistle louder than normally just whistling with your lips. So we'll whistle for 10 seconds. I found doing anything more than that, you actually can get very lightheaded. So let's go. We'll do it for 10 seconds. We'll do 5 sets and that'll be it. So. That was pretty good at the end, the middle, yeah. So I'll just kind of talk about how to whistle for anyone watching this that they're kind of a newcomer to the channel. Sorry about that. So when whistling, the thing that you want to do is tongue position. You want your tongue to be like this. You want your tongue to be curled upward, like that. And then all you're gonna do is get your fingers and push against your tongue like this. That's it, you're pushing against it as it stays curled. Just like that. And then what you do is you just get a tight suction around your lips like this. And then you just whistle. That is it. Or sorry, then you just blow. Pretty easy to do, you guys. But nonetheless, it's gonna take some practice. You're not gonna learn this overnight. Let's do it. That was loud. Ow, that hurts my ears. Damn. Okay. It's pretty sick, you guys. I like starting the videos. I am starting my videos. Started at about 5 after 2. It's almost 2 o'clock. Got home really early today. Like I think it was home at like 1:15 or 1:20. Super duper early. So what I had to do is I had to call the government, get some stuff changed, and then I had something to eat. I went for a shower, did my hair, all that fun stuff. And yeah, it's only 2 o'clock and I'm done everything. I'm making videos. Wife doesn't get home till 7, so I got 5 hours to make videos. I might be able to make 20 vids today. Wow, that one was good. That was some good stuff. But again, Thursdays are super duper easy days. Friday's pretty easy too. But again, Thursdays just so easy. Yeah, I really enjoy this job. I don't mind it. It goes by extremely quick. Like today literally feels like it didn't even happen. And it's almost done. Like if you can get past work and get home, then that's when the fun begins, in my opinion, because time flies when you're at home. You're doing your own thing, you're happy, you're at home, you're comfortable. Time flies when you're at home. Time doesn't fly sometimes when you're at work. So if you have a job that's boring, time's gonna take forever. But my job, super duper fast. I really like that. Let's do it again. That was really good too. So yeah, again, job will be done either next February or next September, hoping for next September. With that being said, there is a slight possibility that I could remain on doing a slightly easier job, like a much easier job, but I'd have to get picked. There's limited spots for that, and they go based off who's been there longest. Haven't been there as long as other people, so I'm not holding my breath. I have looked at other jobs. I found some other stuff, so only time will tell. But again, I got a solid year left, so nothing wrong with that. Just gonna do my own thing, keep doing what I'm doing. Let's do another 10 seconds, then we're done. end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.